just arrived at Walmart. It's a very cloudy, overcast day here in Jersey, but we're gonna make the best out of it and get some good keto things, so stay tuned.
And I didn't understand that you are not one, and I can't wait to see you
again. So to recap, we spent $225. There were several items that you didn't see through me picking off the shelves and from Brittany picking off the shelves, because some of the things that we purchased were for Brittany and for Jess and for Kevin, and they were not keto, so I didn't show them. But so we're gonna figure out. It was under $200 for all the keto stuff. I'm gonna say that $35 would have been for your thing. So yeah, so thanks for coming along with us. Excited. There's some of the meals that I'm gonna make with, say hi to Britt.
Hi.
Some of the meals I'm gonna make with the foods that you saw. I am gonna make a meatloaf and use the keto, I am gonna make a meatloaf and use the pork rinds as the breadcrumbs. Gonna mash them up. Salmon is going to be another meal. The steaks, and what else did we get? Oh, the grass-fed beef burgers. That's going to be phenomenal. I'm excited about those. I've never gotten them from Walmart, so that's something new. What else did we get?
Chicken.
The chicken thighs. So we have enough between that, the cheese, the vegetables, and everything else we got. We are set for at least a week, at least. So anyway, thanks for coming to Walmart with us, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Stay focused. Bye, guys.